Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about income tax calculation. So the question which has been asked in ICSE board examination 2012 we are going to discuss with a program example. So here given below is a hypothetical table showing the rate of income tax for male citizens given below the age 65 years. Here you can see, notice that we have a criteria that it has to work only for male citizen and the age also should be lesser than 65. If it is female or above the age is 65 years, this should not work. Okay, now we will observe the table and try to solve it. So left hand side you can see taxable income and right hand side you can see income tax. So if the amount is above that is lesser than 1,60,000, then there is no income tax. So it is very clear. Second condition is if the income taxable income is in between 1,60,000 and 5 lakhs, there is a 10% of tax for the amount which is the remaining amount after subtracting 1,60,000. Say for example, if it is 2,50,000, you have to subtract 2,50,000 with 1,60,000. The remaining amount you have to calculate 10% tax. Then the third row it says if the amount is taxable income is between 5 lakhs and 8 lakhs, then 20% of the income tax has to be calculated for the remaining amount subtracting 5 lakhs and then add 34,000 to that. And finally, the final row says if the amount taxable income is above 8 lakhs, then you have to find 30%, calculate 30% tax for the remaining amount subtracting 8 lakhs from that and then add 94,000 to that. So it is straightforward, calculation is given there and you have some criteria given. You have to input the age, gender, whether it is male or female, and then taxable income. So 3 input has to be taken from the user, and you have to check a criteria. If the age is more than 65 years and the gender is female, then you have to declare, that is you have to display a wrong category and stop the program. That means you should not exceed 65 years or the gender is female. So for both these categories you cannot calculate income tax. If the age is lesser than 65 years, lesser than or equal to 65 years and the gender is male, then you have to compute the income tax which is given in the table. So this is the question what they asked. We are going to see the example program. So here I have declared 3 variables. So one is integer type, age, and gender is character type. I am going to input either F or M for male and F for female. And I have declared double data type for income taxable income, and then for income tax I use the variable tax and I defined 0.0. I initialized this value to tax. Now the next step is you are going to input the age and the gender. So age I am using, since it is integer I am using nextin and storing the integer value into age. And for character, this is the statement, input statement to be used to get the character and store it into the gender. So we will be discussing about this chart in another video. After input, you are going to check whether the given age and gender with this criteria. So if the age is greater than 65 or the gender is female, then you have to print wrong category. Then stop the program, that's it. If the condition is satisfied, that is if it is false, that means if the age is less than 65 and the gender is male, then you have to calculate the as per the table. So before that you have to input the taxable income, so which is been stored in TI. So it is a double value, so it will be stored in TI. Now we will come to the if else statements. If taxable income is lesser than 1,60,000, the tax amount is 0. So that is the first row. The second row says if it is in between 1,60,000 and 5 lakhs. So you can see taxable income greater than 1,60,000 and taxable income lesser than or equal to 5 lakhs. So this AND operator will execute so that both the conditions should be true, then only it will execute this statement. So that is the use of this AND operator. And here you can see taxable income minus 1,60,000 as per the question into 10 by 100 is the 10%. So that will be stored in tax. The next condition is taxable income is greater than 5 lakhs and taxable income is lesser than 8 lakhs. So in this criteria, in this category, you have to subtract 5 lakhs from taxable income and then find the 20% of the tax and then add 34,000 as per the question. And finally, taxable income 8 lakhs. If it is above 8 lakhs, then subtract that remaining amount from 8 lakhs and then find the 30% of that and add 94,000 from along with that. Now finally, you are going to display the income tax by printing the variable tax. So we are going to compile this. So no syntax errors. So close, execute the program. Okay, so I am going to give the wrong category first. So I am giving the first category as say 68 and gender is female. So it is showing a wrong category. Okay, so I am executing it again. I am giving this time it's 35, but I am giving the gender as false. So here again you can see wrong category. Now third, I am going to give the correct category for both. So I am giving say 40, age is 40 and gender is male. Now you can see it gone into the else part and it is asking for taxable income. So I am going to give lesser than 1,60,000 and see what is happening. So I am giving 1,50,000 and see that income tax is 0. And here next category is between 1,60,000 and 5 lakhs. So I am giving 2,50,000. So the income tax is 9,000. Okay. Next is in between 5 lakhs and 8 lakhs. I am giving 6,50,000. So you can see it is 64,000. Okay, and then finally I am going to give the value exceeding 8 lakhs. So I am giving the age as 40 and gender as male and income tax is say 9 lakhs. Okay, now you can see 1,24,000 is the output. Hope you understood this video. You can try this program in your system and clear your doubts if you have any. Thank you.